Hello, this is Jai from Ask Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you reset your Apple Watch. Could be any version of Apple Watch 3, 2, 1, original, whatever version you have. This watch I want to disconnect from my phone. I already have disconnected from my phone. You want to reset and put back to another iPhone, you can do this. This watch isn't connected with nothing, or even if it's connected, we can do the same. For this, you have to find this option of setting. I hope you can see properly. Okay, in the setting option, you have to hit this one. You have so many options: general, another. We don't need to go anyone. We have to go to general option at the first. About software update. You have to go to the last option. You see, this is reset button. Hit this one. Erase all content and setting from this Apple Watch. Reset home screen layout. I hit erase every setting. The first one. Erase all. I hit this one. Let's see the watch. We see the ring disappear. Now we see only logo of Apple. So it's done. The watch is reset properly. If you want, you can connect with new iPhone in this case. So this is how you can reset your Apple Watch. In my next video, I'm gonna show you how you can connect back to a new iPhone or previous iPhone, whatever you have. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.